The Huawei Watch 5 launched just a few days ago, and I have to say, it's absolutely stunning. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. This is the 46mm variant of the Huawei Watch 5, paired with a strap made from aerospace-grade titanium alloy. The titanium dial adds a rich, premium texture when worn, making it feel far more luxurious on the wrist. That said, I did have some initial concerns, particularly about the thickness of the dial. But when you look at it from the front, you'll see the texture and craftsmanship really stand out. Compared to the Watch 4, this one feels more refined and sophisticated. Now, whether it's heavy, not really. In fact, it's lighter than expected, especially when you consider the build quality. The Extraordinary Edition may feel slightly heavier due to the additional design elements, but it's still manageable. In terms of pricing, the Huawei Watch 5 starts at 1,399 yuan in China, which is around 420 pounds in the UK and approximately $557 in the US. Now let's talk about the strap again. It's comfortable and flexible. For users with larger wrists, it fits well and adjusts easily. One of the notable upgrades this year is the magnetic charging port, which has been significantly improved. The bezel is made of aluminum alloy, which adds to the premium texture and durability. Let's power it on. This watch comes packed with AI-powered features. A quick double tap opens recent apps, and pressing this button lets you summon Huawei's voice assistant. For instance, "What's the weather today?" Just like that. There's also a shortcut to take screenshots by pressing two buttons simultaneously, giving access to one of the main interfaces. It's incredibly smooth and responsive, typical of Huawei's watch lineup. Just look at these fluid animations and feel the responsive haptics. Truly impressive. The display, with its sapphire glass mirror paired with the titanium case, looks and feels futuristic. The overall design is both stylish and tech-forward. Taking a closer look at the back, you'll notice an array of upgraded sensors. The dial is strikingly dynamic, spinning constantly. It almost has a sci-fi vibe. Every aspect of its sensor system has been upgraded for better performance and accuracy. It's also scratch-resistant, sleek, and just feels right on the wrist. It's not too heavy, and overall, the experience is really satisfying. That wraps up this first impression and unboxing of the Huawei Watch 5. I'll be uploading a detailed review along with real-world usage very soon, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to catch that first. Also, don't forget to follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for the latest tech updates and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.